Have you ever considered how powerful the right kind of training can be in shaping a young person's life? Imagine the transformative journey that could be sparked by mastering the art of media. Whether it's understanding the nuances of digital platforms or crafting compelling narratives that resonate with people, media training holds the potential to unlock a world of opportunities for the youth. Take the story of Jane, a high school student from a small town. Jane had always been fascinated with how stories are told and shared in the digital world. When she enrolled in a media training program, she discovered a whole new world of possibilities. She learned how to critically analyze information, discern credible sources, and engage responsibly online. Today, Jane is not just a consumer of media, she's also a creator, using her skills to tell stories that matter and to make a positive impact in her community. This is the power of media training. It's about more than just learning how to use the latest apps or platforms. It's about understanding the impact of media on our lives and our society, and using that understanding to make a difference. It's about developing a critical eye, a creative mind, and a responsible attitude. Media training also equips our youth with invaluable skills that are highly sought after in today's job market. Video editing, graphic design, social media management, these aren't just hobbies anymore. They're essential skills for a wide range of careers. And by mastering them, our youth are not just preparing for the future, they're shaping it. But perhaps one of the most powerful aspects of media training is the way it fosters creativity and innovation. As young people learn to tell their own stories and share their own perspectives, they're also learning to think outside the box, to challenge the status quo, and to imagine new possibilities. They're not just learning to use media, they're learning to use it in ways that are bold, creative, and unique. And let's not forget about the importance of collaboration. Media production is often a team effort, and media training programs provide countless opportunities for young people to work together, to learn from each other, and to build strong, productive relationships. These are skills that will serve them well in all areas of their lives, from their personal relationships to their professional careers. In a world that's increasingly digital and interconnected, media training is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. And by providing our youth with access to high-quality media training programs, we're not just equipping them with skills, we're empowering them to make a difference. So why wait? The journey to empowering our youth through media training starts now. Explore the opportunities, embrace the possibilities, and watch as our young people transform their world and ours through the power of media. Speak strong fire. Invest and inspire youth of today to be prepared for tomorrow. Like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and see you next time.